Welcome to my another video. Hope you liked my first video. In the last video, I told you about the interface of Maya, and now in this video, we have learned how to create and edit objects. Let's begin, guys. When we open Maya, we see many options, and I will tell you step by step in the next videos. These are all modeling tools. For create any object, simply click any object and drag on the grid. And inside the channel box, you can see the details of our object. And we can define the shape of model like this. If our object moves somewhere and we bring it to the same position again, then simply click in the channel box and press 0 and then enter. Then our object will come back to the same position like this. And second is we can create objects inside the create menu also. Friends, this is model making, and now we will learn how to edit models. How can we edit model? There are three things to edit a model. First is edge, second is vertex, and third is face. These lines are edge, these dots is vertex, and these cubes are face. To select these options, simply right click the mouse button and go the edge menu, vertex menu and face menu and release the mouse button. Now I am going to create a basic shape. Before creating basic shape, I add an option named extrude. For extrude, select face and click simply shift plus right click and select the extrude option and release mouse button. And we don't need to go inside again and again for extrude. You can press G for command repeat. For repeat any command you can press G. That's all in today's video. See you in the next video. Bye guys.